so around, I wish it's up to you.
Come on!
Move out my way, I want to watch them dance. I bet you dance all the time.
Clear skies and sunny weather, it's like, oh, well, this is a treat. But recently we've actually been in a bit of a drought, believe it or not. So even with this, we're technically in a drought because we normally get about 165 inches of rain each year. But this past year we only had 100 inches. So for the town, that's a drought because they usually are able to run on hydropower. But because, without as much rainfall, it's only, you know, it's a drought. We can't run on hydropower right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so as Captain Joan was telling all of you wonderful, lovely people, my name is Genevieve, or Pepper. Pepper spray, yes. And just to go over a couple of last minute housekeeping items that she had already started to mention to you lovely people. One of the things to keep in mind is do remain seated at all times during the tour. I am able to stand because I am the deckhand.
Here we go, down to our boat for the Lighthouse portion of the tour. Should be super fun. Looks like a really nice boat. Still raining. Temperature's really nice though. Nearly 60 or probably above 60 actually.
Hi, I'm Andrew, one of your deckhands.
Hi Andrew, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
Good, good.
Excellent. Hi,
Excited
Andrew,
to be
sir.
aboard there.
Robert, nice to meet you.
We saw 3 to 4 different lighthouses, including this historic Guard Island lighthouse. It was really cool how close we got to it. Despite the rain and the haze, we were able to see many sights and sounds very well. Along this tour, you'll go along the Tungrass National Forest, and it is dense, as you can tell. We really enjoyed this tour and being able to see the houses along the waterline, many shapes, sizes, colors, and styles. It was amazing. You had your choice to sit out on this open viewing deck or in a covered portion of the boat. I went back and forth. Robert stayed mostly on the open deck.
Eagles are said to mate for life, with life expectancies of 15 to 20 years. The females will oftentimes outlive the males because they have a few extra pounds that will sometimes help them survive during the harsh winters. These surviving females will then seek a new mate in the spring. Mating pairs will often build an extra nest or two near their primary nest to serve as backups in case the main nest blows down or becomes unusable for some reason.
Another one there.
Each spring, the eagles will bring fresh greenery
Hanging
to
out
the
on the
nest,
edge.
supposedly to inhibit parasites. Eagles' nests grow each year as other branches are added to the nest to offer more protection and strength. When August arrives, the young eagles are soon ready to take their first flight. At this time, they may actually look larger than their parents because their feathers are longer. With each molting period, the young eagle's feathers will grow back a bit shorter until the mature length is attained.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, as we make our way around this cove here, we have another chance to see an eagle. In fact, a great one. This one is in its nest. Now, this is the most difficult nest to spot, but follow the directions of Andrew. He'll be able to help you spot it.
A doorway carved. Traditionally, the only entrance and exit to and from the clan house. The clan house typically would be 30 or 40 feet wide and up to 55 or 60 feet in length. It would be home to as
We are heading into Skywalker's. The Platinum and Elite Lounge is what we're going for. Specialty drinks, about half price, and a yummy buffet. I'll show you a video of that later. So we are sitting down in Skywalker's. I'll shift a little bit so you can see me a little better. I'm not so shadowed. And the view is astounding, I have to show you. The other side of Skywalker's is closed down for the most traveled guest, which we are not yet. It's usually somebody who has some 200 days at sea. Here you go. So cool. See the telltale trail of the wake. Leaving out of Ketchikan into Juneau.